my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Remelda. God bless you. So today I'm preparing for my family curry conch. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. An important step right here for tender, delicious conch. Don't leave it out. Believe it or not, family, we are almost at 12,000. Thank you again. To you who have just decided to join us, God bless you and you are welcome. And to you, my followers, you're still watching but haven't made up your mind as yet. What are you waiting on? Subscription is still free. Let's do it, man. I'd like to send a shout out to my one and only brother, Prosecutor Inspector Bain. Thank you a million for these beautiful conchs. God bless you, brother. am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.